everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a border using just a regular pen. Now in this video it's just going to be a basic frame. Basically you could frame, you know how you get, I shouldn't say frame, border on paper. You can buy paper with a border already printed on that, or you can make your own like I'm going to show you. So this is going to be very, very basic. Take your pen, and I'm just going to go put the cap back on your pen, put your pen away, and this is a border. You could do it as detailed or as undetailed as you want. For the sake of this video I just did a basic one. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.